Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Chromebook 13, and today I'll show you how to add another user to the device. And to get started, we will need to log out, so click right over here and choose Sign Out. And from here you'll have the option to add a person. Click on that button and let it load. And from here simply enter your email address and then password. I'm gonna do this assuming I actually can. And there we go, we have just added another user. Now I believe, at least I hope so, because I logged in with the same account. Let me quickly check. So it looks like we have the two, I believe, or maybe not, but that is basically how you would add another user to the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.